Hello, and welcome to the second week of East Coast Swing. We actually had a 2-week break from our first lesson, and so we went back over part of what we taught, and then we learned 2 more new patterns. So just to go back over the basic, it is rock, step, triple step, rock, step. And we'll just turn it around so you can get the different angles. That's what follows feet look like. This is what the leader's feet look like. Okay, and after the basic, we went back and we reviewed an underarm turn and a reverse. So off of the bait, let's do another basic. An underarm turn, followed by a reverse. Okay, so that's what we picked up from the first week and reviewed. Notice how the follow goes out to 180 degrees on the underarm turn. And we capitalized on that when we taught a stop and go, and then we taught sliding doors. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her out into, I'm gonna go this, yeah, we're gonna go this way. So rock, step, rock, step. Okay, so she's out, my arm is down. If I were going to do a reverse, I would lift it, not, for this first pattern, I actually am going to lift it. This is a stop and go, and it's kind of like, it feels for the leads kind of like an aborted reverse turn. So what is going to happen is there's gonna be a rock step. Guy's gonna come forward on that triple, you're gonna make contact with her. That is her cue that things are not normal. She's not doing a reverse turn. She's gonna do a triple, and then this is a rhythm break. The follows are gonna rock step, the guys are gonna rock step forward on their right, the follows are gonna go back on their left, which is the wrong foot for them. That's a rock step. And then you come back out of it, rock step. So we'll do it again, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Couple of things, guys, make contact with that hand. If you don't make it early enough, she's just gonna go ahead and do a reverse turn because you didn't tell her any different. Second, follows, when we do this, notice raised left arm, she's keeping it tucked. There is a styling option here. She can go up, right, on that break when the guy comes forward. Ladies, if you're gonna go up, go straight up, come straight down, because the guy's head is coming in front and you don't wanna elbow him. But that is just a styling thing. Okay, so that was a stop and go. The other new pattern that we learned today is something called sliding doors. And again, we led this out of an underarm turn, and she's going to stop. Unlike the stop and go in the reverse turn where the guy's pulling his hand up to check his watch, it's really important that the hands stay about waist level. This is where all the leading is going to happen. Guys, if you pull your hand up, she's going to turn and you're gonna be very confused why she didn't do what you thought you were telling her to do, and it's because your arm went up. So keep it down. So we have just done a rock step off of the underarm turn. Guys are gonna pull in front and you're gonna pass each other like this. The rhythm change is a triple step, rock step, just like in a stop and go. And the lady and the guy are gonna change position. So we'll just go ahead and show you. Rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Okay, do an even number. 4 is usually the number because you're back in this position, and lo and behold, this is just like you finished an underarm turn, and you can do a reverse and get her out of it, okay? So let's go ahead and show you the whole thing. I'm gonna do one basic, I'm gonna do an underarm, and then I'm gonna do the sliding doors and end with the reverse so you can just see the whole thing, okay? So step, triple step, triple step, rock step, triple step, triple step, rock 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 step, triple step, triple step, rock step. All right, and that's what we did today.